Mittera is an industry leader in print mail and marketing services. They operate in a highly competitive industry where their ability to innovate has driven their success. Mittera leadership cares a great deal about providing their employees a quality healthcare plan at affordable prices. The lack of transparency in healthcare was a frustration for them, and they wanted to understand the costs so they could deliver a more affordable medical plan to their employees. After an extensive evaluation process with Mittera's finance, legal, and human resources teams, they moved forward with replacing their traditional PPO with our reference-based pricing solution. They trusted us to deliver savings to keep more money in their employees' checks and to take care of their members navigating the new plan.
Mittera was looking for a different, innovative, and most importantly, a sustainable solution. Unfortunately, the conversation with most companies ends when you start using the word change. Mittera leadership recognized this would be good for members, but also understood many of their employees would not understand the value right away. It seems simple, but understanding the dynamic and being willing to take on that educational gap takes strong leadership. Mittera has been exceptional with their member communications and appropriately standing by the program. I think what ClaimDOC does differently that made them comfortable is the unique design of our member advocate team. It is far from a call center, and instead, we staff to levels that allow for more of a concierge feel. We encourage each member to establish a one-to-one relationship with a member advocate so they have a direct phone and email to reach a real person dedicated to meeting their needs.
Well, I had a procedure scheduled, and I'd started talking to my advocate about a month before. The night before, I got a phone call from the billing department saying you're going to either have to sign a waiver or you're going to have to pay your part in full before we have the procedure tomorrow. I got a hold of Brittany, told me whatever you do, do not sign a waiver. I went in for the procedure. I fully expected that I was going to probably have to walk out. They said, "Oh, you're Rob. Go ahead and have a seat. Nothing's due today."
Pave the Way is our proactive provider outreach and education solution. Mittera saw this program as a key differentiator from other RBP vendors. Before the plan's effective date, we begin contacting providers so they understand how the plan works to ensure the member will have a smooth experience. Since the plan is open access, members are encouraged to submit provider nomination forms for the providers they want to see. After completing the Pave the Way process, to date, we have achieved a 92% success rate on over 1,900 nominations, which is pretty typical for our program. For many members, submitting a nomination request is the very first step in developing a relationship with their member advocate.
Understanding a new health plan can be difficult. Our job is to alleviate that stress so our members don't have to. We explain step by step on how their plan works, how we pave the way, how to submit claims, or other providers to submit claims, and with balanced billing. What I like most about my role at ClaimDOC is alleviating the stress for our members. It makes me feel like I'm making a difference.
Since joining ClaimDOC, Mittera has reduced their monthly cost per covered employee and their monthly cost per covered life. The financial performance has been terrific, and they have doubled in size primarily through a large acquisition. Interestingly, the company they acquired was also using an RBP vendor. After evaluating both, we were selected at renewal due to ClaimDOC's superior member experience.
It's rewarding to work for a company committed to providing an effective solution to reduce healthcare costs. It's also refreshing to work with clients like Mittera, companies that are not confined to traditional network programs, not just talking about wanting to do something, but actually taking action and doing it.